Good morning, everyone. I wanted to show you a way that you can make your own sandpaper letters at home. So just to show you some of the supplies I have, I use just some regular computer paper, and I have written a letter on each page. I am using cursive and lowercase for these. That's what we use in the classroom. I have some glue. Any glue would work. This is the glue that I can find that we have in our house. So with this glue, I'm using a paintbrush. And I didn't have any sand, so I actually took some old crackers and I crushed them up to make my own sand for this. You can use whatever you like, whatever you have around the house. Alright, and I am going to start to make my own sandpaper letters. And here I have my own sandpaper letter. I'll have to let it dry first before I can start tracing it. So I'll set this aside and I can work on my next letter. And eventually I'll have the entire alphabet. Alright, thanks for watching. Until next time, bye.